Hey guys, so right now we are continuing our no-bake cookies recipe. So what you want to do is put it on medium-high on the burner, and then start to mix it until it comes to like the right thickness. You want it to be kind of liquidy until you take it off the stove.
You want it to bubble and boil? No, wipe it off.
I'm putting it on. Okay, so it's getting liquidy, but it's not starting to bubble. Okay. Once it starts to bubble, you want to add the 3 cups of oats.
Not yet. You better watch it, and so when it boils, take it off and wait till it cools down. You want to wait for 1 minute, and then you can put the oats in.
You want to continually stir this. Jenna, come back. Okay, so it's starting to bubble. So take it off of the burner.
No, it's not.
That's the wrong one. So set it back on since the bubbles went away.
Ours is crunchy peanut butter, so it's not going to bubble that much. So we're going to put it on for like another 2 minutes, and then we'll take it off and put the oats in. I don't know if we're going to do this or not, but we need 3 cups of oats.
I just said that.
I wasn't here. Just 1 second.
It's getting closer. Hold on, we'll be right back. We need to get a hot pad.
Whoa, it's bubbly. Oh, you couldn't get it. Whoa. Sorry guys, it's bubbling.
Okay, so you want a hot pad so it doesn't burn your counter. Okay. Now you want to add the oats in after about 1 minute of time. So after it's been bubbling for about 1 minute, you put the oats in. So that was 3 cups of oats, and now you want to mix it. We've got this cookie maniac over here that keeps eating the batter.
Hey, there isn't batter. It's a no bake.
Oh yeah, no bake.
I love like the cookie batter. I don't know why. I love
Hey,
cookie
it's
dough.
not batter.
I love dough. And
Anyway,
stuff.
this is how it should look after you are done mixing it. I haven't mixed it fully all the way yet, but there's still some oats. You want to get your spoon really to the bottom. Alright.
Cookies monsters.
You'll want them kind of to cool down for a second after you've gotten them all mixed in.
Oops.
So now you've got your piece of tin foil about a foot long maybe. I don't know how long that is. But you want to get a big spoon, not one of those mini spoons. And they don't have to be round, but me and Jenna kind of make them round.
So you take it and you put it on a spoon and you cup it.
Yeah. So what you do is take it up like this. Don't grab a lot, but take it up like this. Jenna, get another spoon. So you take it up like this, and make sure your hands are clean for this part.
Mine aren't.
And kind of like cuff it like that, and then set it onto the tray. Onto the tin foil. So just continue repeating this, and then once they're all on the tray, make sure that they are fully hard before you eat them.
Oh, that's a big cookie. And it says no bake, so you don't have to bake them.
Yeah, just set them on the tray and wait for them to cool
It
and
takes
harden.
about like maybe 20 minutes to harden.
Yeah.
So
You want to check on them, kind of maybe stick a toothpick in there and see if it's still ooey gooey. And just keep repeating these steps until you form it. That is all we have for you guys today. Do you have anything else to say, Jenna?
that I'm Cookie Monster, and if you guys are too, please comment down below.
Comment down below what recipe you would like us to do next. Alright, see you guys next time.
Comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe.
Alright.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.